you want to know why the new Oracle XS was designed to fit anywhere? In a cafe, you need to serve everything from breakfast to brunch to aperitifs. But how? Easy. With Oracle XS, you have ready-made recipes right at your fingertips. With just a touch, you can toast, grill, or reheat anything all in one oven. Running multiple locations? No problem. You can automatically sync your recipes across all your Oracle units. In a shelter, space is tight and bringing in equipment can be a real challenge. Oracle XS is the most compact oven on the market, just 35 centimeters of countertop space, yet it replaces multiple appliances. You can place it wherever you want, even in plain sight, with no need for extraction systems or water connections. It's 100% plug and play. The kitchen is closing and another table fills up. What now? Send them away? Not with Oracle XS. Turn it on in a flash. It preheats in seconds and it's ready to go. Even at the end of service, you can serve your full menu with no compromise in quality compared to a combi oven. And when a crowd shows up all at once, how do you serve them in just a few minutes? With Oracle XS, of course. Cook up to 3 sandwiches every 50 seconds and a pizza in just 90. High-speed oven technology combines convection, microwave, and impingement, giving you a wide menu with a single appliance. Less waiting, everything under control. No industrial power supply at your beach kiosk? No worries. Oracle XS also comes in a version that runs on domestic power. It helps reduce energy consumption because you don't need other equipment. Its intuitive, user-friendly display lets even less experienced staff prepare perfect, repeatable recipes. In your pub, the food is great, but everything gets greasy and cleaning is a pain. Not anymore. The internal non-stick Oracle washable box is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleaning fast and cost-effective. And what about quality? Always top-notch. Thanks to the fast cooking system and automatic recipes, you can rely on our chefs' expertise for quick, flawless results. One appliance, infinite cooking possibilities. Oracle XS is the right solution for your business, whatever it may be. Come and discover the new Oracle XS, now more compact and more affordable than ever.